At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, well in the morning, yeah. Mr. Greg Fergus, Speaker of the House of Commons of Canada, and his delegation paid a courtesy visit yesterday to the leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, MP, and the leader of opposition business, Philip Paulwell. My wisdom warriors, you see, these are the things the news not even carry. You see, if somebody from another country I come visit Andrew Wellness, you see the whole of the news media run with it. A whole heap of time. Me see different people from different countries paid visit to Mark Golding, and me not see one news media bring it out. Me not see one news media run with it. Remember say Mark Golding post it on his page, Remember say Jamaica PNP post it on their page also. So me can't understand why the media now run with these things. And when Mark Golding come out and said the media get buyout, the whole of them are run out and a chat off them mouth. It's the truth. We see and we know. A long time Mark Golding a campaign. Yeah. And Mark Golding got different constituency. And me not see the news media them a run with it. Me not see the traditional news media run with it. But as soon as the Jamaica Labour Party MP them I do for them campaign, the whole of them have it up. So tell me, put one and two together and talk truth what God love. Of course the whole of them get buyout. It's just the truth, and they know that. Them know that. When I see them come out and talk about Mark Golding attack, this and that, you see what I like with Uno? Uno is an enemy of the state. Uno news media. Me I really wonder if really black people own these. Me not talk mouthpiece, because we don't know mouthpiece style already. But the other news media them, me I wonder who really own those news media. Who really own it? Because me can't understand Uno say traditional news media, but Uno not do the right thing by the Jamaican people. Uno do the thing them by the Prime Minister. Uno not work for the Jamaican people. To home me see it right now, my wisdom warriors, even the news media not care about the people of Jamaica. Even the news media them, they do not care about the people of Jamaica. And it is really sad. It is really sad how they easily get buyout. It is really sad. And when people talk, the whole of them a get vexed. Uno not forget vexed. Uno know say true. Or I want to do afraid. Or afraid. Maybe. Me can't blame Uno. Why, my people? Me have to really wonder sometime. Me have to really wonder and think far and wide. Seriously, me have to think far and wide. Look at what happened to Barbara Gale. Just look what happened to Barbara Gale. My man they run out and say him not gonna be no liar for Barbara Gale. Then when you look a week later, you see Tom Tavares Finson run out and say him a gonna be the liar. Jamaica, uno fi put one and two together, Uno fi maths out things. I tell you uno fi maths out things. Seriously. Anyhow, my people, we are run go straight over Deadman Mackenzie because him a ball out. Deadman Mackenzie start ball out already. Boy, I don't know what's wrong with this man. Deadman Mackenzie start a ball out. But how him a go sue Damian Crawford? Can you imagine these things? When I see it last night, Mr. Kuya, how what do them? How what do them with for them little strategy? The truth always hurts, The truth always hurt, my wisdom warriors. So opposition Senator Damian Crawford is facing the threat of a multi-million-dollar defamation suit from local government minister Desmond McKenzie unless he retracts and apologizes for controversial comments he made recently. When I hear them something here, and look how Observer write it, you know. Look how Observer write it. Opposition Senator Damian Crawford is facing threat in our face a thing. In our face a thing. Tell Deadman Mackenzie to stop thief people them land under style. And that uno need to come out and do. Yeah? And that uno news media, but una news media, una traditional media. Uno need to come and tell the Jamaican people the truth. Come out and tell the Jamaican people the truth. So the whole of the house, them were Andrew owners a build on the land, a thief, Andrew owners a thief on the land. Uno stay there. Soon uno have to come off of that. Uno stay there, go like uno no sense. And that uno news media have to come out and chat about. Was part of dead man can sue Damian Crawford. Because Damian Crawford talk the truth. Because Damian Crawford come out and talk the truth and uno no like it, like a cry baby, moonshine darling, take off your clothes and go to your bed. When you go to Sunday school, the teacher call you a big dopey fool. Who remember that, my wisdom? Hey! Whoa, my body. This cry baby, moonshine darling. But him, I sent out lawsuit upon Damian Crawford and Damian Crawford to come out and apologize. Hello? So when unu come out and I tell pure lie, Al Marlon Morgan, suppose Mayor Swaby if send a lawsuit for Marlon Morgan. Because a pure lie Marlon Morgan tell. Pure lie. Pure lie. Unu tell pan PNP. PNP can sue unu too. PNP can sue unu too. Yeah, they can. Because unu lied. Unu tell lie. Unu actually tell lie. That's the thing. But when PNP attack facts. And it burn unu. It burn dead man. Hey, listen. You better take off your clothes and go to your bed. You hear dead man Mackenzie? Take off your clothes and go to your bed. And when you go to Sunday school, your teacher go call you a big dopey fool. Alright? So, you need to allow this so because then I get no apology. Go ahead. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what I really think about it. Yeah, because them people here, something wrong with them. Hear this.
Will Jamaica have to import people to help with the boosting of the country's economic prospects? That's one of the questions being asked by General Secretary of the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UK's John Levy. His question comes following revelation of the country's dwindling birth rate. A Gleaner article last year revealed that with a population of roughly 3 million, for the first time in December 2023 recorded a fertility rate of 1.9, falling below the internationally accepted 2.1 fertility rate.
Awareness and so forth, people have been more cautious. Very, very cautious in terms of having kids. And the economic outlook is not so bright. People have been very, very cautious. But it has another side to it, that if we're not careful, in a few years from now, we're going to have to import people from some of those countries that their birth rate is not so much under control, right? And we have to make sure that we plan properly. And we are going to look at some other issues surrounding encouraging reproduction. Because I'm telling you, other countries give tax returns to kids. You have 2 kids, when you're filing your taxes, you get back more taxes than the man that do have.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear them something here? Them have to start import people. Because birth rate a decline. Why is birth rate declining? Let me ask under that question. Why is birth rate declining? When I forget to the bottom of things, I see some people I say, big up to the woman them, the woman them a breed. I want to look deeper, The woman them a get pregnant. But what happen when they go in a hospital? Them always lose the belly. Look how much pregnant people lose them pitney when they go in a hospital. Look how much. Come on, Jamaica. There's a catch to it. Who remember when Japan come out and them say how them are going to start pay Jamaican man? Wanna remember that article? Uno remember that article? I try to refresh on the memory, you know, my people. Yeah? Who remember when Japan say them a go pay Jamaica, not Jamaican man, sorry, ratted hole, black man in general, 50,000 US and upwards for one child. Who remember? Mighty God of Daniel. My wisdom warriors, I don't believe in them something here what them a say. Yeah? You see what them talking about birth rate declining, I don't believe it. I really don't believe it. Because a lot of mothers, when they got hospital if you have them pitney are dead. It's just the truth. You have people come out and say, how when them go if you have baby, the doctor them a push up all different type of pill and I tell them what them a do, you know. Remember, say a natural birth, them come for have, you know. But the doctor, them a do different things. You understand? There's allegations out there and me say so people all reach out to me and make me know what is going on and ask me to talk about it. I'm going to talk about this before. You understand me? So when them a say birth rate declining, I wonder why. I wonder what cause all of that. When I try to say, we woman them can breed again, or una call we man them jellyback. What is going on? Or una say our women are very cautious. And that una say, I don't know. I don't really believe this stupidness because from the people them get the joke, it caused all of this. Una hear me? The JUKE cause all of this, my wisdom warriors. Una hear me? The JUKE, it cause all of this. Mighty God, this not look good, you know? This not look good. So then, when they start, them have to start import people. That means that the government of Jamaica have to start pay them the people they know. No wonder why you see them lift the visa for Dominica. Everything, my wisdom warriors, no wonder why them lift the visa. They lift the visa, you know. Them lift the visa, then do a visa waiver for Dominica Republic. No wonder why. You never see smoke without fire. And it only going to get worse. Mighty God. So Jamaica so overpopulated then. Hey, story come to bump. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about all of this because this not sit well with me at all.
Right now, my mother not 100% good, you know. But you see, the nurse them and the doctor them with their Savile Naah Hospital want publicly tell them thanks. I watch her work for my mother for hours. I watch her work so hard, I hand tired, I sweat. I go in and out, I make something out of nothing. I appreciate you guys. I am so sorry I work for your government. We don't appreciate you because you out here save lives. You understand life you out here save with little and nothing. Government you need to do better. Christopher Tufton from 2016, your Ministry of Health. And you want to tell me so you don't have nothing at all put in place with we the people of Jamaica. Shame on you, Christopher Tufton and the rest of you. Shame.
But Jamaican people, Christopher Tufton did come out and say money is not the problem, you know. Members said they do a press conference, you know, and say money is not the problem. And that them say them equip. And that them say they have it covered. And that them say. So what is going on now? What is really going on? Mr. People attack this young lady. I tell her if you go, S whatever her mother. For S whatever her mother. She talk about saving her mother life. And Mr. the people them come out and cuss her. Labor right, you know? Labor right? Boy, I know me know say una some mad idiot people. Una don't take in labor right. Una what listen? Una not have nothing about you. No, sir. The girl come out and talk about the ventilator. Anything can happen to you know what? To how it seems like labor right them not sick. It seems like when labor right they got the hospital they say yeah PNP or yeah labor right. And so it seems to me no labor right no sick. No labor right. I for really laugh at that one. Hey, you see If the Labour right, them a defend Christopher Tufton and Andrew Holness so, and the healthcare is bad. Why? Me don't chat to them. Me don't chat to them. Me don't know where me I waste my time. I tell the Labour right, them say if you learn, if you go have understanding, and if you listen to where Mark Golding, it make no sense because una want hard nut for crack to blouse and skirt. Because if we talk about equipment, we can save for una life, everybody life, the whole of our life. And una tell people to go whatever they mother because she talk about a ventilator machine. And someone una tell her say she go buy her own machine. Labor right? Jesus mercy. Uno terrible. No, sir. Uno terrible. Labor right. Uno terrible. Uno a real idiot. Uno a real idiot. God, may I ask you, please. That idiotness there with the Labour right there, please don't bring it close to me. I beg you. Because we here talking about people's lives, a ventilation machine for everybody. And you all out here tell the lady, say the young miss, if you go buy her own machine. No, sir. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. But before me go, I want to hear what right man go have to say. Take in this.
I want to go watch this young lady's video. I posted, I do it one on my page and I stitch this one. This young lady had an emotional outburst in the former video because her mother is apparently very sick at Savlamar Hospital and there is no equipment, no ventilator. And she's basically thanking the doctors and nurses in this video who have worked assiduously to save her mother's life. Based on what she's saying, her mother has COPD, which is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And that is a chronic condition of the lungs. And rightfully so, I watched her series of videos. She said that sometimes she needs to go to the hospital when she's having an episode. It's basically one of those diseases that's kind of similar to asthma. You know, so all when asthmatics have them nebulizer and them pump, sometimes it's so bad, they have such bad attacks, they need to go to the hospital. Well, based on what this young lady is saying, her mother had one such similar episode and there were no machines at the hospital. Of course, she had an outburst. You wonder why I'm making this video, right? May I make this video to call out all the drunk them with up on our posts. We obviously lack empathy and common sense. And me say, you see, politics makes someone know, at least I'm not going to say politics. Let me not say politics. Someone is so dark and dunce on only follow politics for handouts. And you will do anything to continue to get the political handouts. So even when the party you support is in the wrong, you are still going to defend them to the point where you attack people who have a genuine concern. I can't understand why someone is so rash dunce. Why is so illiterate. This young lady now is like, I feel say, cow and goat and hog birth someone. Someone now no damn mother. Someone don't have no mother. Because this young lady is upset and hurt because her mother is struggling for her life. And what you do? Come on the lady post. Come on the girl post. To defend on a worthless prime minister and on a worthless minister of health who have the hospital starved for resources for the past 9 years. For the past 9 years. There is no defending a government that does not take care of the needs of its people. I don't want a drunk or come on my post and say, well, the other one did do the same thing too. This is not a tit for tat. People's life is not tit for tat. And that's the biggest problem I have with many of you. who call themselves Jamaicans. You're not Jamaicans, you're labor rights. Because Andrew Oles is a king. And because of that, him can't do nothing wrong. So when people suffer, listen, I will never forget the dengue outbreak. And you had some drunk labor rights willing to hide the fact that them owner picnic dead from dengue. They were willing to hide it than call out them own government. That is when me realize, you see them people here call themselves labor rights. And you know, me now go politicize the girl post. Because this is really not about politics. This is about decency. This is about humanity. And me realize, say, you, Andrew, ass kissers, you have no humanity. You have no, you wanna come in like some robot. It's like, listen, let me tell you something, Jamaican people. You see, for the well-thinking Jamaican people, I'm gonna say this to you. You have one opportunity to get this shit right. And get these people, these demons. You see how long me telling you, say them people here are demon? You wanna have one opportunity to get these demons out of power. Because them no business with you. And let me tell you something, if you think it cannot happen to you, you are not empathetic because it can't happen to you. Just try and know, say sickness, don't choose. Sickness is for all of us. Sickness is for all of us. It don't pick and choose. And you never know when you, your loved one, your mother, your father, picnic, go and need the health services and it is not there. Because all along you were defending the foolishness. You see how long me I want, you know? And because you're getting these political handouts, you choose money over common sense, you choose 20 grand over improving the infrastructure. You choose 20 grand over buying ventilators for hospitals. You choose 20 grand over making sure that nurses and doctors are equipped to save lives. Because why? Uno life don't mean nothing to uno. Uno life don't mean nothing to uno. You are only here for the purpose of kissing politician ass. And when listen, something moved when I saw how upset this girl was about her mother. To the point where she said she go bundung the Ras hospital. I have been there before. Because when my son did have the asthma attack at Port Antonio General from 2018, and me think Dr. Naah do nothing to save him. Me tell them so me go burn down the place too. Because when you're in a state of heightened emotion, that is what you do and say to get attention. And you drunk, bro, on the girl post. On the girl post. I tried discourage her and telling her to delete the video because on a shame say, she call out on a bro God, on a God Almighty. Me sick of uno, God know. Me sick, me personally sick. Why the phone did drop, Osh. As I was saying, I'm sick and tired of uno. Your illiteracy is destroying the country. Your dark ignorance of putting up with the foolishness that is happening is turning Jamaica into a literal shithole. Right? Just because you're getting handouts, just because the politician them feeding and they can't live without them, you are destroying the country. To the point where all of the first world country, them telling them, them citizens don't come here. Because we don't have no health system. And even with that, it's like it's not enough. They're still defending. I can't believe people in this day and age, seeing everything that is going on, would really defend this government. Me can't believe it. Me just simply refuse to believe it. And as me say, I don't want nobody come on my post and tell me, say, the next party going to do the same thing. Because it's 9 years of labor right now. And me dying for a change. Because trust me, I've had it. It's like you just can't see no hope. It's like when you don't even realize that the country can't realize that. The country mash up. And then if you call a spade a spade. I just hope and pray that this young lady's mother is okay. It's Kimmy. It's the first I'm coming across one of your videos, but I'm praying for your mother. I'm praying that she's well. And big up the doctors and the nurses of Savlamar General Hospital that helped her mother. Right? When I don't even how we have been giving healthcare workers. You see how long I've been advocating for them? When I don't even understand how I give them basket for carry water. But big up on yourself.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel all about this. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.